Tell them who you are. If you're living in the movement, you wanna praise God. This is how we do it.
What up? I'm in the bacon again. Oh, this is a good one. These kids tore the place up pretty good. But anyways, the paint has already been in here. But this is from the deck. I busted that out yesterday. Put some foam in there that kind of seal up some of them holes. I put a piece of drywall in the hole, mud that up. The rest of the unit's not too bad. But there are a couple door frames that are kicked in. I have to fix that. They also put the hand through the door. Of course, that's drywall repairs. Back in here on this drywall, on this furnace area. So today we're just going to put another coat of mud on this, kind of straighten this up a little bit. And let's see the bathroom. Take a look at the bathroom real quick. Yeah, we'll float this door out some more, make that look pretty. It'll look fine when I'm done. Maybe clean that up a little bit. That's about it. So I went through, put another coat of mud on the walls. It's just a second coat. It's a float out, no big deal. And then the bathroom doors, I did the same thing in here, just a float out. And then we'll still put another coat on this because this is the door. We'll float that out even farther, make it look pretty. So I got it all sand down. Now check this out. I'm not joking, bro. I'm not joking with you. Black shirt, bro. Get it? I just sanded drywall down for 15 minutes and I ain't got nothing on me. Nothing in my nose either, bro. My nose is clean now. It wasn't too long ago. Anyway, shop vac. A bag in the shop vac and this sander. I love that red hose or the orange hose. It's a rigid hose and it doesn't collapse. See, extend right on it. Anyway, point is I got nothing on me and I'm not going to be smelling drywall all day. So the drywall come out pretty good down through there, man. That looks really nice. Looks really good. I thought I was going to have to put another coat on it, but it's golden. And see, even in my corner, you know, it had all the bumps on it. But this right here, I'm going to go over to Lowe's and pick up new trim to go around the door because it's old and janky. So only thing I didn't like was the bathroom door. Got a little bubble in it. Well, I've got to coat that again, but you can't see it because it's all white, but there's a slight bubble right there. Anyways, I'm just messing with you guys. Anyways, so I'm gonna run Lowe's, get some trim. Top day 2. We're gonna work on this drywall a little bit. It don't look too bad. I might be able to get away with sanding that down to be good to go on that. the bathroom. Bathroom doors, gonna need a little lovin's. And just, I chipped it yesterday by accident. But I'm gonna real lightly sand this down and then put another coat on it. Because it is a door, so you want it to look nice and pretty. And make it look like me. Nice and pretty. Just messing. And then we got these other spots here. It's not too bad. That's not bad. Got a little dip spot right here. Might be able to sand that out. It might be alright. But paint, I've got to get all the drywall done because the painter's coming Monday. Doing caulk. Ooh, I just saw that. There's a big nasty spot right there. You guys probably can't see us, but just barely see the crease right here. That's tape. Somebody's put tape on that. Anyways, so I said that's what I'm gonna do today. Back in the bacon. It's all finished up now. Walls all done, repaired. Carpet still has to be cleaned. They're coming tomorrow. I left that cable box black because the tenant painted it black, and I'm like, I'd have to destroy it to get it off. But anyways, kitchen looks good, you know, looks alright. Down the hallway, I fixed that bad spot here on the wall. Bedrooms look real good, minus the carpet. Has to be cleaned tomorrow. You know, because I went through and redid those corners on all the windows because they were all blown out. Got a new vent. Bathroom door. Needs another coat of paint on there. But it looks good. Looks good, man. All done. The tenant moves in Friday. Carpet cleaner will be here tomorrow. Peace out. Another day in the life of maintenance.
Tell them who you are if you're living